Welcome back again. It's your girl Atafa the Press. Well, my people, me here for drop the real news, news, reviews, everything in a one right this or right there, my people. So all I want to know to do is like up the video, share out the video, subscribe to my channel, my people. And if you're new to my channel, welcome. Let's get right into it.
A corrupt government cannot liberate the people. If the head of the stream is corrupt, the entire river will be also.
A blessed good day to you, my wisdom warriors. Wagwan. From Uno Ear Device, Uno know see a one and only Atafa the Press. Well, my viewers and subscribers, may I tell you say, terrible things is going on. My wisdom warriors, who remember when I spoke about the young lady that the tree fall upon down in Hanover? Uno remember, well, the boyfriend is just explaining what happened. Some want to not take in this because it is really a sad situation in my wisdom warriors. It's really, even though, listen, then tell everybody to stay in, but know some people hears that already. But the thing is, I thought them say she go out to go look for some wire connection or something like that. I don't really know, but just hear what the family members have to say. Take in this.
She's a great help. She's a great help. Towards the kids and mommy, so they always have to try.
Pain and sorrow in the wake of burial. The hurricane may now be a thing of the past, but for Kay and Sterling's family, it will always be present at the mention of her name. It's the reason why they grieve. Reports are that about 4:45 p.m. on Wednesday, the 32-year-old went to make checks on internet wires at the back of her home in Hanover. During the process,
She was crushed by a downed tree where residents contacted the police immediately, after which the Jamaica Fire Brigade as well as the emergency medical technicians rushed to the scene.
her spouse and the father of her two sons is the picture of heartache. Before being consoled by the officer, he said their older child, who's 17, is emotionally unwell.
The big one have a hard time. He gets so angry yesterday, nobody can control him. So I have to hug him and bring him back down. So I have to stay around the yard. Now come back around here, so come look at him. Time he look on it, it's a totally different man.
The boy was supposed to be graduating high school, but it was postponed because of burial. Now, the younger child, who's 9,
He's not fully in control of what's going on. But he realize the mommy gone. But he cry. And he say, look once. They said the tree they come and he stand up with the button tree on this side when I said the tree and he hear the rope go bow. I'm stand up steady because I can't move for the house like that. So instead of she stand up same place, I go under the drop tree, she start run to see if she could have run it out. But the bush did and the whole her. So he's like he can't move accurately the way she's supposed to.
her next move?
You see him go lay down so like, but right there the tree drop on her and hurry up and come out for the house stop and run good and hand me the call and I clear the bush and they come up and realize say the tree drop in our side. And when we remove the leaf on our face, me notice me see blood here so. So from this, me confused, me just run and call everybody and
So my wisdom warriors, wanna hear what the boyfriend have to say. So basically, she knows that the tree did a fall, so she did a try to outrun the tree. Wanna hear what him say? You understand? And it's just, me feel it for her. Me not tell you no lie. Me really feel it for her. I do. Because look, our kids them, she die left our kids them. And only hear when the guy say she lie down, she lie down there so and the tree go drop down upon her. Box cover, Jano. I just want to say rest in peace and my condolence goes out to the family. Anyway, hear this. Minister of Science, Energy, Telecommunications and Transport, Daryl Vaz. Rotted. My wisdom warriors. Daryl Vaz have qualification in a them something here? At that me want to ask him. You have qualification in a science and energy and telecommunication? Eh? You have qualification I wonder if he have qualification. Every day he out here talk about Mark Golding dual citizenship. Right through burial. Me say my wisdom warriors, right through burial. This man a text it for Marky G. I talk about dual citizenship. What una go do ya now? Mark Golding a renounce for him. Una better saddle up. You did a talk about Mark Golding. Una better make sure so una fix phone people them, una dual citizenship people them in a phone party. Else una goose a go cook. Una stay there chat about Marky G. Anyway, my wisdom warriors, this a man have qualification to be a minister of science, energy and telecommunications. And that me want know. My box cover. I never know I'm a minister of science. And I never know. I think I did just minister of transport. My wisdom warriors. Seriously. Anyway. So, you know, so Daryl Vaz go on like him a bull cow and dub pikankara. You know that though? Okay. So him come out and a bad up the JPS and a talk about him summon the JPS company Flow and Digicel to give an update on the restoration of critical utilities. This a mania. And JPS then is out. One thing with the JPS them, they keep posting and update everybody. So when I see Daryl Vaz come, I can't go on like him I do not know. Boy, go away. Because you not do nothing for Jamaica. None of you. Una rip off. You all una rip off Jamaica. Una not do nothing for Jamaica. So me know where you come out. My wisdom warriors. You can imagine? Me come much time, don't it? And me update to know about JPS. And I get it from the JPS website. They ma update all their customers. They have to fix the damaged wires first before they restore everything. So when I see this man, with him know that, you know, and when me see him come out, me know say it's just a political gain, him a look. Political points. You're not going to get it. You're not going to get no political points, Daryl Vaz. You waste of time and waste of space. You waste of time. Me can't wait for you to come out of power. Me I tell you no, you waste of time. Look how much more things they fi talk about. And you come out and talk about JPS to hurry up. So the people, they don't know that. The people, they know already about JPS, so they have to fix the damage first. You understand? They have to fix it and they have to make sure so they keep for themselves safe and protect for themselves too. So when me see you come out now, I come tell JPS, me know say a political points here, look, but you're not going to get none. Because JPS already update everybody. They update everybody, and you know that. Because the information minister or the OPD, or what they call themselves, them come out. So when I see Daryl Vaz, my wisdom warrior, I say, you know, say a political points is a boy, yeah, look. Hey boy, you have to go now, man. You have to go down now, man. You're too enough. But me don't know how lately everything you're in, like your salt. I all give you so much strength. No worry, man. No worry. Your wing I got clip. Your wing I got clip. You every time in take set. Every time my wisdom warriors in out here look political point. I take set for Mark Golding. Every time, but no worry. When Mark Golding win, me say what una go do. Una think una go thief now election and get away with it? That now go happen. It now go happen. So your wing so clip Daryl Vaz. The whole of una wing go clip. The whole of una so lift up from outer House of Parliament. So una stay there. The whole of una so lift up. Have you left there so from outer House of Parliament. So go on, man. Go on and skin up. You, Daryl Vaz, one troublemaker on social media. Out here. My wisdom warrior, this man, through hurricane, this man a post Mark Golding and a spread fake news, misinform the Jamaican people. This is what Daryl Vaz do. I can't believe this. The Jamaica Public Service Company says it has restored power to 80,000 customers across the island in the last 24 hours. It says the areas restored are predominantly in Kingston and St. Andrew, St. Catherine and St. Thomas, with several Trelawney and St. James customers scheduled to be back on the grid early today. The company says over 315,000 customers or 45% of customers now have electricity. Well done to all of the JPS workers. Well done. I do a brilliant job. Well done and thank you. Not like the labor right them. Not like the labor right them. Me I tell you, say Daryl Vaz, them are two face and them are two mouth. They come out and a talk and a rush up JPS for do this, do that, and on the next hand, them go on like they nice, they on other platform. Me I telling you, them people are terrible, my wisdom warriors. Terrible. The police are now seeking to ascertain the identity of a man whose body washed up on Port Henderson Beach in Portmore, St. Catherine. The body was reportedly discovered by a fisherman about 11 a.m. and he alerted the police. A team responded and the body was removed to the morgue. So my wisdom warriors, police is seeking right now to identify the body that washed up at beach in Portmore. I'll know identify it, so so them still a do the dope. Anyway, hear this. The National Water Commission, NWC, says it is working diligently to restore regular water supply to its valued customers following the passage of Hurricane Beryl. The company said earlier today it began critical assessment of all potable water supply system to facilitate the earliest resumption to full operations. It is to be noted that some facilities remain inaccessible due to blocked roadways, power outages and dislocated pipelines. In Portland and St. Thomas, a parish-wide power outage is affecting all NWC facilities. This is the case for sections of most southern parishes. All right now, so NWC, me like how you come out on attacks on go restore water to all customers. Me want people know say, the people them in a Westmoreland and people in a Hanover and people in different area part of Jamaica never have water before hurricane come. Me tell you that. Una go restore the people them water. Una go restore them the people the water to all the one them where pipeline gone. When una come out and una talk, una must talk, make the people they understand. Because if you go come out and say NWC working to restore water to all customers, una know say before Hurricane Beryl, a lot of people now have water for months from last year, December. Una know that. You understand me? Una know that. And especially the people them at Westmoreland and them a call pan uno from how long. All know they can't get water from the pipe. Them have to buy water. You understand me? Them have to buy water. Westmoreland people have to buy water. So when you come out and you talk, uno for talk, make the people they understand. Because them not for the pipeline, uno take out too. So what una go do? Una go fix or what? What una go do? If people them all get water, me want to see that. Me want to see that. Because Andrew Holness came out and tricky people them and say how he might go give how much billion a big up in chest. He might go give the people them how much billion the western part and it go take 3 weeks. And 3 weeks come gone. I'll know the people then have no water. Nothing no done. But me know say them always talk different things. You know they always a tell lie. Because Andrew Wallace come out and say it will take 3 weeks. And you have Matthew Samuda come out and say it will take up to 5 years. So, me want, hey, you know what? I need to give my brothers and sisters waters. Yes, they need water and they need it. No. Yes, we want water. People them a pay them tax. If people then supposed to get water in time. So make sure you restore. But then again, my wisdom warriors, and saying that, remember them attack say power outages and them a say and dislocated pipelines. Remember say dislocated pipelines did it for a long time before burial. So nobody make it look like a true burial come. That's why a lot of people now have water. So make sure say you sort out the people them at Westmoreland. Make sure you sort out the people them at Westmoreland. And nobody thinks I may forget. Remember say you same one Andrew Holness, your Andrew Holness administration say how una go give compensation to hotel. What about the people them whenever they get water? That me I talk about. My people them will get compensation too? My people then deserve to get compensation. And enough of them have their last money and have to buy water. I sell or no sell water, you know. Remember that, you know. Remember that. Uno take on a tank and give it to who uno like and who uno know. A lot of people now have tank and a lot of people now have water. So I want to know if you going to compensate for we people them too. Our Jamaican people need to get compensation. No hotel no need to get compensation. Hotel insure. The people they not insure so them to get compensation. My wisdom warrior. Uno storm up the comment section and let me know if you agree with me, yes or no. Because Jano, I don't understand why the hoteliers is going to get compensated for what? What them a get compensated for? Our people when I have water. Our people when I have money for even buy water. They have them last where they want you to go buy food, little oil and little butter and little rice and chicken and them something there. Them have to use to go buy water for bathe. And them for get compensated. They deserve compensation. So I want to look out for the people them too. But I go compensate hotel and hotel. Hotel insure. Excuse me. Wisdom warriors. Want to tell me what you think about this and put an honest opinion in the comment section. Anyway, take in this.
Want a commission?
Well, go just see more. Go ahead. They take it easy. They take it easy.
Mamma, Swede.
Mama, what's Swede that? What's up? Let me forget more stuff. Want a commission?
Well, go just see more. Go ahead. They take it easy. They take it easy.
Mamma, Swede.
Mama, what's Swede that? What's up? Let me forget more stuff.
Where we going? Where we going? Let's come down.
That's what they were saying.
Yo, give me something. Myself, I can't do that.
Can you see what you know?
Timbaland. Comfortable. Make it now.
God is sad because
Books have a road on it in America. So, Bim, as she cook for you all the time in a poorly cooker.
Where?
Yeah, there. Bim, kill him.
I've got me saying a poor. No, you hear what me say?
All road back to what is that I drive up the road. Alright. People use them. No,
Elephant.
I will carry back down go fishing. Here, sir. Bye, love no. The tractor come here.
want a commission?
Well, go just see more. Go ahead. They take it easy. They take it easy.
Mamma, Swede.
Mama, what's Swede that?
My wisdom warriors, you know see we mayor? We may not just walk around. We may actually get his hands dirty. Let me tell you the difference with Phil Mayor for Kingston and St. Andrew. He not just walk around and talk like Andrew Holness. He not just walk up and down. He actually get dirty. You look like, you not see what going on. You not see when they get the people them off the street, he actually pushing. He's actually helping. Hey, come on. Come on. So, this a mad Andrew. This is what mad in the whole of the labor right them. I talk about Andrew Holness. Don't worry, Andrew Holness not do nothing more and come out and go like him a weatherman. Him not do nothing. Him not do nothing. Take in Marky G.
No, you can't see what me tell you, say you're all time comrade.
Yes, man.
Yeah.
Margolin.
Yeah, man.
Nice to meet you, sir.
Yes, man. From Augustone days.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah, man. From Keeblemon days.
Okay.
Gina Barrett and them guys from
man.
yes, man.
Well,
social.
my wife come from Arkansas.
So me here,
Bryce
from
Road, 19 Bryce Road.
Well, me live
19.
me live at 11 Bryce Lane.
Okay.
When you go down there,
Yeah,
when
yeah.
they call Duppy Lane.
Yeah, Duppy Lane, yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah, man.
I don't know
Come
something.
on, I know them places very well, man.
Prime Minister,
Yeah,
wish you
man.
all the best.
Thank you, thank you, Andrew.
Andy.
Yeah, Andy.
Yeah, man.
Yes,
All
Andy.
the best, my brother.
All right, bless you.
Touch, mama.
Yeah,
Yes,
man. Oh, you know, we that, man.
yes, man.
Yeah, man. All right. Yeah, man.
Yeah.
Opposition leader is touring the area, assessing the areas, going from different constituency to different constituency. When me telling us that the man at work, them at work, you understand? Not like Andrew Holness in a helicopter, me don't know where him assess from up at top. My wisdom warriors, take in more.
Yes, that's exactly what happened. Me go right beside the bottom. And it was this
Down the
one.
diamond too.
That gully right there.
Yeah.
I'm going to show you it right there. It was this one. I could have walked across the gully. Over the years they keep on saying they're cleaning the gully. They put tractor in the gully. They dig it and they clean it, but they widen the gully and deep in the gully. So it is a wide gully like right now.
Oh, really?
Yes, so whenever time, and the other big river now, when it rain bad, the big river come down to, and the water turn over the side. And flood over there, so sometimes at the same go the same way. Because if the mouth open, the water go down. But if the mouth not open, it comes across.
Oh. So what block up the mouth? Like
The seed.
Oh, the seed itself.
Yeah, the seed itself. When the tide high,
Yeah.
the seed back it up. But sometimes the seed same one open it too.
Okay.
Yeah.
I want to go look for it. Can I show
Yeah,
you?
you can put me about over that side right now. As I was going to clean up with your.
So my wisdom warriors, wanna see the opposition leader all over and the mayor, Peter Bunting also, but me I go show you that in the next video. So my wisdom warriors, wanna tell me what you think. Put on honest opinion in the comment section. Like up the video, share it out, and subscribe to my channel. And if you're new to my channel, welcome. Big up on the nice clean self. I'm out.